The hottest wifey in town. Look at you.
Oh, stop.
No, seriously now. What is going on? Are you the only woman in love? See you now. You're glowing.
Oh, stop.
Your guy is really trying. He's doing his work well. I mean, enjoy that room.
What's that one? Well, that's because anytime my man wants it, I give it to him. Anywhere, anyhow. In the car, in the kitchen, under the step, in the bathroom. Anyhow, I give it to him.
Don't even tell me that. I'm a fucking graduate, for goodness sake. And I'm also smart. I'm not a dunce. You don't want to tell me that it is just the other room and the other ones that you used to give him that makes you control him the way you control him.
But the manners too. Yes. The other day you told me that he came and wanted to propose to you. And you said he must go on his knees. Haba now. Come on.
What about it? I mean, that's the normal thing every guy out there does. Why should my own be different? You have to kneel if you want to propose to a woman.
Not all correct Igbo men will do that, Bosse. Is my girl. Yes. Please, standing or kneeling. Marriage is marriage. It won't make him love you less. Come on now. I shouldn't. Must I tell you everything?
I've heard you. That one is in the past. It's gone.
Yes.
So let's move on.
And my mother also said that there are not much secrets to keeping a man. Yes. Rather than giving him good food and, the other room.
Oh, please. I have done all the things you're talking about. Because at this point, I need a man. And once I get a man, I am so doing everything to keep him. All the things you're saying, I have done all of them. Yet it's not working.
So?
Any little thing I ask from them, they flare up, they get angry.
Boss, I'm confused though. Which one is ask, request? Boss, look at you now. Yes. What do you even need that you don't have for yourself? So why asking from them? Because you have a good job. You earn very well. Your house, your car, everything. So I don't know what it is again that you need.
Oh, really? Now I know you're a very bad friend. Why are you not single? I mean, you should know about the adage. I mean, that African mentality that goes this way. Whatever a woman is, no matter how wealthy, influential you are, if you're not under a man, you are useless. You're worthless.
I know.
So why would you want me to end up being single?
I didn't say you should end up being single. Maybe you should reduce the way you are.
Oh, please. You will be talking the other way now because the one your boyfriend comes back and he will not enter the other way.
Are you ready to raise your leg? Are you ready to do it whenever he wants it?
Come and post this thing
for
me.
Give you
that.
Hey, sweetheart, you ready to go?
Yes, my love.
Okay. Do have a wonderful day, alright?
Baby.
Yes.
What is it?
Nothing much. I'm fine. But I'm okay.
My love, listen. This is not the face of the man I married years ago. I know my husband. So please, my love, what is it? Speak to me.
Baby, you're already set to go, okay? Don't worry, we'll talk about it when you return. Alright?
No, I insist. I insist, my love. No, I insist. Please talk to me. What is it?
Baby, you'll be late for your appointment. Come on.
My love, you know that I can't go anywhere and concentrate when I know that my husband is not doing well. I can't focus. So please, do what's the good and say it out. Spill it. What is it?
I had a terrible dream. A very disturbing one. Yes.
Like a nightmare?
Yeah. Terrible nightmare, honestly. It was like, myself hanging on a tree, struggling, shouting, calling out for help. I can't even see anything. Everywhere was, cloudy and all the depth I can't even see. All of a sudden, the rope cut. Then I fell into an ocean.
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Into an ocean?
Yes. I'm telling you. struggling, like shouting on top of my voice, trying to. The next thing, that is, hey God, I mean,
Baby, just calm down,
the
please.
memories.
Calm down. That's very terrible. Like, it is scary.
Yes, very scary. I don't even know. Well,
Baby, just calm down. Please, calm down. But my love, please, I want to beg you for something. Henceforth, please be very careful. Very, very careful. Please, I beg you. In God's name.
I will.
Nothing will happen to you, my love. Nothing.
Amen. Oh, it's
Nothing.
all good. Sorry for, bothering you with
Baby,
my...
stop.
It's okay.
I love you.
I love you too, baby. You have a wonderful day, okay?
Thank you.
Hey, all right.
Please stop thinking. You're too cute to think. I don't like it.
Baby. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, see you later.
All right, darling.
Yeah.
Yeah, safe, eh?
Okay.
God. I just don't understand it, Kenneth. Why have you decided to become irresponsible for the rest of your miserable life? Why?
What have I done against this?
Oh, really? The question should be, what haven't you done? What haven't you done, Kenneth? Didn't I tell you I had an appointment to catch up with today? Didn't I tell you?
It's not my fault. It's the traffic.
Oh, it's the traffic. And that same stupid damn traffic made it not to pick up my damn calls.
I didn't know you called me.
Oh, really? I swear to God, if I give you a very hot slap right now, it will correct and reflect on your intellectual quotient. You will start functioning very well. Let me have my car key, please. My car key! My car key.
But there's not enough fuel in the car.
I don't understand. Kenneth, just before you left this house today, you told me there was no fuel in the car. And then I gave you some money. What happened to the fuel?
The money wasn't enough. It wasn't enough for me.
You know what? You will never stop being a sickling. You are sick in the head. Something is wrong with you upstairs. You think I plucked money from the tree, right? I know what to do. You're going to cut off all those stupid wings of yours. Then, you will think like a man.
Come on, sis. You know, these days... I don't understand this. Just because of the little money you gave me, you're just shouting at me anyhow. Eh? The money's not even enough for me for my flexing. Hey, baby. You guys are having a good time.
I mean, they are so funny.
I'm going now. I'll see you in the evening.
Okay, baby.
We the single ones. We the single ones.
You.
We are going to choke. Yeah, you guys want to suffocate us with the love. I beg you.
Boss, don't be like that. Chike, let's go.
Baby, don't stay out too long.
I won't. Yeah, Lizzie.
Take care.
Alright, nice being here.
Alright.
Yeah, what's that your name again?
Bosse.
Dose,
Yes.
like your personality.
Thank you.
Let me have your contact. So maybe we can talk time to time.
Okay. 08068180049.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright. Okay.
Thank you.
We can talk at least, alright?
Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, Lizzie.
Okay, bye. Baby, come home early, oh.
I will.
Bye.
Who is that guy?
That's my fiance's friend.
Oh my goodness God. Babe, that guy is cute. That guy is everything. That guy is hot. That guy is soft. That guy is he's huge. He's tall. He's you know I like them big. He's my spec. I'm telling you.
Boss, he's married. Happily married.
That's not a factor. In fact, I want to be a benefactor in his life. Yes. I want him to invest in me. I love him like that. I mean, I like him the way he is.
Count me out.
Oh, you must help me out.
anything that involves married men, my hand, my leg, I'm not.
I know what you want. Calm down. I can't get to the latest Louis Vuitton edition.
Oh well, what of this one?
Which one?
But seriously, he's a married man.
And so what? I don't care. I said I like him that way, and you must help me out. You can't have two men all to yourself. Hello?
How did I know?
When did you start having anal sex? Gosh.
Nedim.
How is the city?
Fine. Very fine. You're fine. Mama, you're looking very good yourself.
Thank you.
Hey, Makazi.
Hey, my dear, I can see my son is taking good care of you.
Yes, Mama. Mama, my husband is God sent. Chike, odogudim. Okenje kume. Mama. Dim na luma ofuma.
My daughter.
Mama alu
Oh
mama.
my God, you are looking good. How about my grandchildren and my son?
Mama, they are better than me. How come, Mama?
Okay.
If you see them, they are shining.
Come on, let's go inside.
Okay, Mama.
So that you tell me more about my grandson
Nedim.
and my grandchildren and my...
Mama, let me carry that water for you.
No, don't worry. Don't worry, I will take it later. Hey! Banana! That's my daughter-in-law!
Babes.
What's it? Are you okay? Why is your face like this? Did you fight with anyone?
My dear, it is better that I fought with someone. It's better I fought with someone than what I am passing through right now.
Babe. What's wrong? What happened?
My dear, since the last time I met your fiance's friend, Chiki, I haven't been myself.
Call him on the phone. Speak with him. Be open. I mean, there's an adage that says when a man hangs around a beautiful lady without letting his intentions known to her, he will end up fetching water and serving her guests at her wedding.
I've spoken to him, but I just don't want to look so desperate.
Wait. Bosse, are you trying to say that thing you told me the other day is still in your mind? Are you serious
Yes,
about
I'm
it?
very serious.
I
let
just...
that guy die.
I thought you only wanted to date him.
And I'm not good enough to get married. I don't understand.
I mean, you are, but not. I'm not to a married man.
I don't care. I don't.
So he's married already.
Just help me out. Please.
Hey, yeah, my cuties. How are you all doing? Yeah, you're doing great, right? Sweetheart.
I want you.
Well, stressful, baby. Stressful. Yeah, I see you're doing assignments with your mommy.
Yes, we are
So
doing
who
assignments.
is failing and who is getting it right?
Nobody's failing. They're all getting it right.
Oh, wow. Honey,
Yes,
you
baby.
came home early today. What happened?
Baby, I'm supposed to because they're on midterm and I should come help them with the assignment.
Oh, wow. That's thoughtful of you.
Yes,
A baby. Good one.
No. Start from the same here. My love, can you just go inside, take a shower, and then let me go prepare the dining for you, okay?
Oh, yes, I need it. Honestly, I am famished.
I know.
Very tired.
I made something nice for you.
Of course.
Something
of course.
sumptuous.
I
You love
know
it.
you will. I trust you, baby. I'll be with you guys shortly, eh?
Yes, baby. Continue. Okay, watch them. I'm coming. Let me make it ready. It's dinner. Is that right? Okay.
So what are you saying?
Nothing, but just to appreciate your effort in trying for us to see.
You seem to be a very busy person. I was wondering if I could pass by your office tomorrow if you're free, so we could have some discussion, something very important here.
I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. Why do you ask?
No. Because of your inquisitiveness.
Don't be scared. I know you're scared. Nothing serious, trust me, just a discussion. It wouldn't hurt anyone.
Okay. I'll keep the time.
Yes, I'll keep the time.
Okay. See you then. Bye.
Bye.
Young lady, take and drink out of it.
You say?
Take and drink out of it. Drink out of it. So, young lady, you want to marry this man? Is that all you want?
Yes.
You will marry him. This is my job.
Thank you.
Are you ready for this?
Yes, I am ready.
There's one condition attached to it. Are you ready to embark on this mission?
Yes, I am.
Yes, she's ready, but please, what's the condition?
Didn't your friend tell you about the condition?
Please tell us, what's the condition?
You will follow me to the graveyard, where I will invoke the spirit of a dead man.
Yeah, to go and do what? What is my business and my relationship with you? Dead man, am I alive now?
You will have to sleep with the dead man, and that is the only condition that will make you achieve your aims and objectives.
Continue with me. You and them. Don't understand. Please, I am not going to any graveyard. In fact, I am aborting this mission. I never came to this place.
Now listen to me. If you live here, choose between death and madness.
If you will, be like say something in your brain. See this one. Come up there. You. Hey. Please, people. Now, this will shine. Nonsense.
Snap out of this mood now. Stop being moody. I understand all what you're going through.
No, you don't understand, Lizzie. Did you know what it takes to sleep with a dead man? Do you? Me, Bosse. That's what you sleep with a dead man. No match.
Bosse, remember what Agoturumbe said. Meanwhile, you don't know what I did. That's why it's not good to envy people's achievements because you don't know what they went through.
My sister, I can never. In fact, me, am I mad? Envy you? I can never.
I did worse. Yes.
You did worse?
I did worse. I slept with 4 madmen. Yes. So anything they're telling you now, just do it. You've already drank the water meant for the spirit. So anything you have to do, just do.
No, Lizzie, you have to tell me the way out. I am no longer interested. I don't want to again. Please, how do I come out?
Remember I was warning you, right? When you were disturbing me, you thought I was a stumbling block. Now see.
Yeah. But please, Lizzie, I don't want again. I'll wait for God's time. I don't want any man anymore. I'm even okay being single. Just bring me out of this. Please now. Eh?
At this point,
4 Wise one, I am ready now.
Are you sure?
Yes, that is why I am here.
It has to be midnight. At midnight, you come with your nightwear. No pants, no trouser, no knicker. And do not tell anyone where you are going.
Okay, I'll wait. Thank you, wise one. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Hey, come back here. Come back here. Come back. Are you ready for this mission? Shh. Are you ready for this mission?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah. Lie down.
Honey, I need to leave right away, okay?
Baby, your breakfast.
Don't worry, I'll leave later now when I return, okay?
Baby, no, why are you in a haste? It's just past 7 in the morning.
I have an early morning appointment at the office. Missing it is like missing the only flight.
My
so I
love,
need to be there.
He who works to come back home lives to work another day.
You are right. How far have you seen Dr. Frank?
No, but I'll see him later in the day.
Come on, baby. It is better to see people in their office earlier in the day, okay?
True, but he goes to his private clinic around 3, so I'll be done on time to see him. What?
Nothing. I'm just using my head.
No, you look disturbed. Is it a problem?
No, I'm fine, darling. I have to run along, okay?
Baby, come and kiss me.
Okay. All right. All right, see you when I return.
Is something wrong in this office? Jane, stop thinking. Stop thinking. He tells me everything, so I feel if there's something, he'll just tell me, right? Yes.
Yes, I'm sorry I wasn't with my phone when you called. Yeah, I was quite busy. And where am I supposed to be? At home, of course. Okay. All right. I'll try. I'll see you tomorrow. All right. Bye.
Sweetheart, where have you been? What kept you so long?
Honestly, baby, I had a lot on my desk to clear, so I'm not even done with the whole of that, but I had to just pause. So let me come home, rest, then tomorrow I start again. It was too much, baby. You can't believe what I handled today.
My love, is that why you offed your phone? I've been calling you. Like I was scared.
Serious? Oh my goodness. Baby, I switched off my phone when the heat was on. So I had to just switch off. Let me concentrate and do, all I have to do.
My love, please don't.
I'm sorry.
Don't do it again. Please, I was scared to death.
Don't
do it again, please.
It's okay. It's okay. It will never happen again, okay? I'm so sorry, alright? Please. Sorry for, keeping you.
Baby, just look at the time.
I'm sorry. What about the kids?
They've gone to bed.
Okay. Alright, let me just... Baby, my head is fine.
Sweetheart, what would you eat? Sweetheart.
I can see both our days in love.
Go. Guy's not picking my calls yet. Why is in love?
He's not picking your calls. But I thought you were started sleeping as man and woman.
Yes, we are. But that's not the only aim. You know I want him all to myself. The more I'm trying to make him give me attention, the next thing he will leave me in the room and tell me he wants to go back to his stupid wife.
Calm down. I go to Rimbe's work. It works slowly, like kerosene. You understand? It spreads calmly. Very soon, everything will fall in place. Calm down, my girl.
I believe so.
Yes,
I can't wait to have that guy here. Just here, keep him.
Hi.
Order him around, tell him what I want him to do, and he does it.
And he will do. So calm down. Calm down.
I bet, what do you have in the kitchen? Please let me have spaghetti pepperoni.
Which one is spaghetti pepperoni? I don't have that one. I'll give you what I have.
Kilo shilling. Hey, baby.
Rosa.
Hi, darling.
How are you?
Mwah.
How you doing?
I'm fine, babe. And you?
I'm good.
Okay, I got you this.
Whoa.
And
smells nice.
for us. I wanted to discuss something very important with you.
Oh, okay. Please sit.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. That was so nice of you. Chike, I actually wanted to know where I stand in this relationship. I wanted to know where this relationship is taking us to.
Just that?
Yes, just that.
Hey, come on, boss. You know we are friends. Yeah, it is true we are, becoming more intimate day by day.
We're just friends. Just friends. That's all. You mean that's all I am to you?
Hey, come on, babe. I mean, I'm a married man with kids, right?
Yes. And I am not good to get married to. Am I?
I love you. That's the truth. But my hands are tied.
You love me, yet you cannot even tell me where I stand in your life. Could you expect me to give you all of this just like that? Chike, you must really think I'm a daft, right?
Hey, come on. Don't take it that way, right? Listen,
it's not your fault.
Boss, baby, do not get... But I give you everything you want, I mean.
I know he must surely come out and look for me. I will stand here till he comes out to see me. With the way I displayed in his office, he will definitely come here and beg me. Otherwise. Come on. What's happening? Should I go back there? No, I will not. I won't. I will wait.
Bosse, what is it? What's going on?
Lizzie! How many times did I call you?
Forgive me.
You made a fool of me.
How?
So you think I am one of those all those nonsense Yoruba girls that you can mess with and go scot-free?
Can you?
You make me to go and sleep with a dead man, all in the name of having a chicken all to myself. Yet it is not working.
Can you calm down and explain to me properly?
But you're not the one that took me to Agotonombe to give me chance for me to use that whole chicken.
Can you just calm down? It's the same man that did mine and he walked out.
Well, why is my own not working? Because my own is not working. It is not working.
Calm down. Just calm down. All hope are not lost. See, I have another person.
You have
psychic.
Eh? Oshomore, you better say they crazy. Something they worry for
Okay.
you. What? You they mad? Eh? Me, make I go sleep with that cow this time around.
No.
Oh, better still. You go tell me, say, make I go eat the scrotum of an elephant of a hippopotamus.
Bosse, can you listen? It's a psychic. It's not a native doctor or anything. Calm down. All hope is not lost. This one will work out fine.
If not be wanting to focus you.
Don't be discouraged. Ememi Hojo. Eh? I was on my own.
Okay,
You
we
came
should
to-
bring ourselves down to Igbo. Kete pa la chagana.
No, you.
Okay, fine. Ah! Ah, my...
are you doing?
Fine.
You're good, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Sweetheart, yeah. Yeah, my brother. How are you?
Are you good?
Yeah. My God. Okay, daddy's back. So what do you have for daddy? Any good news? What's that? This me? Or not cartoon? I need to hear something about
Kadu kadoka. Kadu kadoka. Kadu kadoka. Have you seen him?
Yes. I can see him.
That is to tell you that we don't do child's play here. There are other rituals for you to perform.
Another one.
I don't understand. Did you?
Yes, I did. Please just tell us whatever it will take and whatever she needs. Just tell us.
14 days you go on dry fasting. Not even common water. After 14 days, you will go to a flowing river. There you will take off your pants. Rub it on your breast for 3 times. Throw it back to the river. Then you will enter that river and bring me 14 cowries. I will use them to show you how to perform the rituals. Do you understand? Let me go now.
How can I be going through all this just to have a man all by myself? Maybe I should just quit and leave everything till God's appointed time. But to think of it, how old am I now? In the next couple of years, no man would even want to look at my side anymore. Lizzie, my friend. She's a very lucky one to have done her own once and he worked for her. But when you start to run a race and you didn't get to the end, the ones you ran becomes in vain. I will see to the end of this.
She has no heart of a human. She's diabolic and so mean. She don't care how you feel or what you think. She's an angel of destruction. She's a devil in a human form. She's a demon in broad daylight. She come to kill and to destroy. What kind of a woman? And she don't even care. She's an evil woman, sent from the pit of hell. She's an evil woman, she's a devil incarnate. She's an evil woman, sent from the pit of hell. She's an evil woman. She has no heart of a human. She's diabolic and so mean. She don't care how you feel or what you think. She's an angel of destruction. She's a devil in a human form. She's a demon in broad daylight. She come to kill and to destroy. What kind of a woman? And she don't even care. She's an evil woman, sent from the pit of hell. She's an
Take it. Keep it carefully. No eyes should see it. I will not be responsible for the consequences. He's in your control now. Anything you want from him, just open the coffin and instruct him. You may go now.
Thank you, Master.
Go, woman.
Mama, you sent for me.
Yes. There is something I want us to discuss.
Mama, is it that urgent that it can't wait till morning?
This is the best time family discussion can be held.
Okay, I'm listening.
It's about you and your family. I know you have been up and doing, but the complaints I receive these days is surprising.
I don't understand, Mama. Well, I know it is Jane that gives you that trash. I know.
Chike, don't call it trash, because I have witnessed it within the few days I am here.
Mama, you said you noticed yourself, right? Okay, no problem. So, I'm listening. List them. Let me hear. What have I been doing wrong? Tell me. What?
Chike, you keep late nights, which is unusual.
Okay.
And the love you have for this family is diminishing by the day. Chike, why?
Mama, I don't even know. I'm still listening to hear what you have to say. Oh, is that all? Mama, listen, I know where all this is coming from. Oh. I want to tell you that Jane, you see that girl? She can never control me. It's not possible now. She cannot cage me. No woman on this earth can cage me, Chike. It is not possible. Over my dead body. They have not given birth to that woman.
Chike, I did not say that Jane should have control over you. But you have to bring back the love and the happiness that existed in this home. You have to.
Mama, I'm not even understanding. Are you done? Because I have something to do upstairs.
Chike.
Let me, yes, so.
Are you walking out on me?
No,
I have not
I'm
finished.
not walking out on you.
I have not
Jane
finished.
is trying to confuse your thinking.
Don't use your hand to destroy your family. Hey!
Sit up. It is time to call a spade, Chike. And I am sure you know that no woman is complete without a husband. Good. Go back to sleep.
Without saying anything to anyone. Why?
Do I need to take permission from anyone before going to work?
No, baby. I'm sorry. I was just wondering.
Save yourself the stress.
Sweetheart, this is not the man I married years ago. This is not my husband. What is going on? What the heck is going on? I don't understand.
Tinty. See, boss now. So please, how's my friend doing with her newfound love?
My sister, you can say that again. Your girl is glowing. I am in love.
I can see. I can see. I told you this one must work.
Yes, so you took me to that stupid man's place at first. Was just wasting my time. Almost got me frustrated.
I'm sorry about that, but you see, alcohol is good. One man's meat is another man's poison. It was alcohol that perfected mine. Yes.
Okay, no problem. Well, news flash. Good news. Can you believe that Chike is already talking about marriage with me?
Don't say.
I'm telling you, my girl. So next time you might be seeing me with one diamond ring, flinging my hands like my fiancé.
No. What? We need to go get champagne. We need to watch all this good news.
What are we talking about? Who
We have been talking for a while now. Yes, I do not understand your point of view. Like, your point is not clear. What are you saying?
My point is that I have decided to take a second wife.
Excuse me? I don't understand. Sweetheart, we have the most peaceful family ever. A very beautiful family. A sweet family.
And what has it got to do with me taking a second wife?
I don't know what you need a second wife for. What do you want a second wife for? We have 3 beautiful children together and they are living very well. So what do you want a second wife for?
Why are you raising your voice? Why are you making noise? I ask you, why are you making noise? Raising your voice? Huh?
Me? Making noise?
Yes, and why are you acting so shocked, surprised, and all of that? What I said, is it a taboo? What I want, is it wrong? Huh? Because I gave you the privilege. Don't you know I have the right to marry as many women as possible?
Sweetheart, I think something is wrong. I do not think you are in your right senses.
Me, your husband, you do not think I am in my right senses. See who honor. No, I will show you who the man of the house is. Yes, I am going to deal with you. In a joker, you go to church, but you don't even know your Bible well. Huh? How many wives are Solomon and concubines? In fact, I will deal, don't worry, I will deal with you. By the time I give you a second, third, fourth, your brain will function well. You're telling me your husband that you think I'm out of my senses. You may beg you one.
Sit up. You are no longer a kid, Chike. And I think it's high time I stopped coming to talk to you all the time. You know what to do. Do it. I want to come into your house as your new wife. Chike! 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 I command you. Move!
understand, baby. I understand where, he was driving at with that gist. Some people actually naturally enjoy killers. They will not stop at anything to destroy people's happiness.
Yeah, but they're not rich.
They're not rich, oh.
They're not rich.
No, it's not possible, Just like this one seated, beside us.
I don't even like the fact that she's sitting like some hungry, retarded octopus.
Just tell me, if not for the fact that she's a joy killer, what should she be doing, moping at us?
Like a moron.
I mean, having fun, having good time.
She should go and just make her useful. We should make maybe she should make something like a pepper turkey for us.
Oh, yes. With enough chili.
Yes.
Instead of you sitting there, crying your eyes out in pretense, because that's all crook biting is. Go into the kitchen and make us some, pepper turkey. Enough sauce, well sauced. Come on. Go and be useful.
When they say you move, you move. I don't understand.
Move now.
Is she a tree?
Too much of a,
Madam, move!
Always.
Be like wait till they use do sacrifice for Fulani. Come on, here, I don't see road. Here. Oh.
She chose to be a weapon fashioned against our happiness.
God forbid.
Can you just imagine? Yeah?
I wonder.
Very horrible. Oh my goodness. I think the body is so in the mood to fire on.
Hey! Okay.
Come on.
Woo!
Yeah, baby.
Oh my God.
What is it?
No, nothing. I'm fine.
But you're crying.
Am I? No, I'm fine, my love. Nothing is wrong. I'm fine.
Mom, there's something wrong and I know it.
My love, you are still tender. Okay? You should not bother yourself with things that are not actually your problems. It's just that your father wants to destroy the peace we've had over the years. But don't worry, my love. God is in control of everything. Okay?
But you shouldn't cry.
I wasn't crying. I wasn't crying. I was just, Emeka, please go to your room and sleep, okay? Tomorrow is school. Is that okay?
Mom, I know that tomorrow is school, but I want to stay here and take care of him.
Chuku iyekwe kaja madu emerie nono iyekwe. Are you watching my father? I.
Mama, The troubles in that house is beyond me. Mama, my husband, your son, he has perfected his plans, Mama. Omezugo, Mama, Omezugo.
My daughter, wipe your tears, calm down. Just tell me the whole story. Tell me the whole story.
Yes. Mama, my husband, my dear husband, he brought in another woman into our matrimonial home, Mama.
As a house help or what?
Mama has a second wife.
Bano, no. Obroke seme. Oh, no. Hey, over their dead body, not mine. I can't believe this. I can't.
Mama,
Hey.
I'm not lying to you. Mama, I left the city to come and see you. It is not a story. It is real. Mama, it is reality. It is happening in my house already, Mama. I am not saying what is not happening.
It's okay. Did you tell anybody about it?
No, but Mama, you know I don't have anybody to talk to except you. Who would I talk to?
I know, my daughter. Wipe your tears, calm down. It's just that I am so sick. If not, I would have followed you to the city. I would have followed you to see that shameless idiot. That is not a woman who can just come like that to destroy another woman's home. Hey! Oh, calm down. It will not happen. Not as I live. It will not. If I get there, I'll just throw that bitch away.
What a life, what a tragedy. This life is so mysterious. What a life, it's a wicked one. But this is too much to bear. Manachuku iyekweka jamadu emerianono. Are you watching my father? Manulisa iyekweka jamadu emerie. But are you watching?
No.
I hope you're watching.
You heard what I told you. Like I said, I'll be coming to the city by the weekend. Then I know what has come over my son. Biko. No problem. Just stay calm. Don't ever quarrel with anybody. You heard me? And then, call Chike. Sit him down. He might not be doing that with his clear eyes. Find out if actually he is doing that with his clear eyes. Please. Inugo.
Madam, thank you so much. I will do as you say. Thank you, Mama.
Are you watching my father?
Go well. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mama. Please take care of yourself. Please rest well, oh?
But are you watching? I hope you're watching. Yeah.
She's here. Come this way and stand.
Jane, did you take any money from my bag?
Money?
Yes. Dollars.
No, I did not take any money. I didn't take any money.
Jane, please think well now. $100,000 is missing from my bag. Money meant for my company's project. Please. Did you see the money?
Sweetheart, you're embarrassing me. I've been here with you for how many years? How will I take your money? For what?
Hey!
Check in Harun. Yes, in Harun, because this is our room. You've checked it. Check in Harun. Go check. Come on, you go. Let me check it. You'll be looking for it here. Hey.